It's official. Pi network will be listed on OKX exchange on February 20. So guys, this is a good news for Pi miners. Everybody who mine Pi is more than 1 year or 2 years. This is a very great news that we had today in the morning. So guys, the Pi core team has written that they are going to go mainnet on February 20. And if you have passed your KYC and if you want to withdraw to OKX, check my profile. You'll find the link on how to withdraw your Pi to OKX exchange. So guys, today we're going to check on how, if you have not done your Pi KYC, how to do them, and how to convert your transferable to mainnet. So guys, let's go to Pi team and see what they have for us. And this is a very good news because many people have waited for this Pi for more than 5 years. Yeah, as you can see here guys, it says pioneers Open Network will launch at 8 a.m. UTC on February 2025 with millions of KYC verified pioneers and a thriving utilities-driven ecosystem. Open Network expand available opportunity which allows Pioneer to connect Pi with external system. That means how you can withdraw your Pi from your wallet to exchanges. So congratulations to the entire community for the collective efforts and work over the past 6 years that has led us to this moment. As you can see guys, launching Open Network February 20. It's just 8 days to go so that it can be listed. So guys, this is a very good news because they have decided to list Pi. So let's go into Pi network. So let's go to, if you deleted your Pi, go and install again, do KYC, check on your Pi wallet if you remember your seed phrase. Remember guys, if you lost your wallet and you had already migrated your coins, do not create a new wallet. Just figure out where you kept your seed phrase. You should write your seed phrase on a paper so that you can be able to remember. So let's go to Pi, and I want to show you guys the easiest simple way which you can do KYC. If you failed to do KYC, it's very easy. So as you can see guys, this is your dashboard, and look at the number of people who have invited and the number of people who are inactive. Almost 90% are inactive. That means that many people have not done their KYC. So if you check on your mainnet, click on mainnet, you'll be able to see that you have unverified, transferable, and migrated. The reason why we have unverified as many as you can see, it's because many people who we invited have not done their KYC and have not migrated their Pi. So the only coins that I have migrated are 43 and 5 transferable. This means that it will be transferable so that we can be able to sell to our exchanges or to our currency. So if you click on mainnet checklist, I know most of you knows about this. So you'll be able to see your checklist. Make sure to do those this many people know about it. So this is for someone who haven't migrated their coins, have not done their KYC. So I will be brief with you guys. The fastest way to do KYC is to log in a week, as in 7 days. Every day, mine every day in 7 days in a row. Don't skip a part. So every day, mine. So that's how you to get a message to do KYC. And there are people who got the message but they didn't do KYC. What you need to do is click on here, go to your wallet. You can see your wallet guy here, browser. go to your Pi wallet, login, then to your KYC and do your KYC. So that's how you easily do KYC, and that's how you'll be able to withdraw our Pi. So we hope that everyone will do KYC so that you can have as much Pi to transferable. So you can click on transfer and just transfer our Pi to migrated so that you can withdraw. That's the simplest thing you can do. So guys, I will be dropping a video on how to withdraw your Pi OKX so that you can be able to sell them. So goodbye for now, and this is a good news for all of us. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any issues. So goodbye for now.